So how can you make the Word app go from read-only to editable on the iPad? Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So I can have some Word documents stored in my local storage of the iPad, and when I click on it, it opens it through the Microsoft Word app because I have it downloaded, but as you can see, it doesn't let me edit anything, and there's a little pop-up at the top saying that in order to edit and save, I have to sign in with a subscription, right? So as you can see, it's kind of a process in it there. So not only I have to come up or have my Microsoft account ready, but I also need to have a subscription in order to actually use it, perform the changes, and edit the document, right? So I personally am not the biggest fan of this, and instead, whenever I have like a Word document on my iPad, what I'm gonna do instead is that I'm gonna hold it down on it, click on open with, and choose a different app to edit that document, right? So personally, I always go with the Apple Pages app. So that is the official Apple's text editor, similar to the Word, but it's made by Apple, and that one is actually free. You don't need to use any kind of accounts or subscriptions with it, and I can open it through this, and obviously, I will have the instant ability to perform some changes and edits to that document. So I personally always go with that route. Whenever I'm done, I just hit a share and export it as, a brand new document, even in a different file format. So I personally really enjoy using that app. So I would really love to hear your feedback below. Let me know what you think in the comments. But for now, that is going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.